Hello, I thought I'd bring you along on my resin journey. This is actually the very start of my journey. I'm very new to it. And here is a time lapse of a 40cm art board. I'm using art resin because I like that it doesn't have any VOCs, so I don't actually need to wear a mask. I'm using just resin pigment paste. The dark blue is candy blue, the white is titanium white, and I'm also using powdered Pearl X pigments, duo aqua blue and turquoise. And they are absolutely beautiful colours. It's such a shame that the video doesn't do them any justice. I'll use the hairdryer to blow the waves out and create a beautiful foam. I'm using a fair bit of white pigment at the bottom because I want quite a decent amount of waves and cells just on the lower portion. And I'll blowtorch it to bring out those beautiful cells. Art resin's actually really good at creating cells. I've tried other brands and I've felt that art resin was one of the best at creating the white frothy waves. So here I wanted to create a second layer so that I could have more of an illusion of depth by showing through the previous white waves underneath. But it looks like I've added too much pigment and it's just completely covered up everything I had done previously. So I think next time I'll be adding less pigment to the mix and making the second layer more transparent. So anyway, I just create it all again. That's okay. At least I'm getting some practice in. I'm just playing around with it until I get the right look that I'm after. It's a little bit off balance, and I also like it when some of the blue is over the waves. It's not just white on top of blue, it's actually the white mixes in, and that was kind of the look I was going for. I attempted to create a dam by placing blue painter's tape around the board and allowing it to just have a little lip a couple of millimeters above. This was so that the resin didn't run off the board and it was contained within the tape. The idea then was to remove it when it was almost dry, and it would just softly fall over the sides and create a nice soft round edging. But yeah, it didn't quite work out. I left the tape on too long, and when I removed it, it was hard. So I sanded it back because it was all lumpy. So I had to sand it all back to try and get a smooth finish. That didn't quite do it, so I instead covered it up with some beautiful shells and quartz crystals, which I absolutely love, and I'm so glad I did. Sometimes the painting tells you what it wants. We think that it's us creating the painting, but it's not. The painting is creating itself. We just need to be a channel and to let go and let it do its thing.